Vučića pa će vas s ovom provest malo kroz Hrvatski top 33. Ja sam Paola, 20 minuta uz vas, vozite pametno i guštajte uz Dalmaciju.
Yeah, man. I was just gonna grab a towel. Yeah, okay.
You charge it. You charge it €1.
What's up, man? No, it has a sign right there. It has a sign. So you use it. You charge him for it. You really go for it. You want, man? I can sort that shit out. You give me the authority.
You sort it out.
Yeah.
You sort it out.
Oi! You fucking cunt, what are you doing?
What?
You need to pay for this shit.
Fuck, man, you really serious about that?
You're not fucking serious, you cheap
on.
prick.
Okay,
Hey up.
okay, I'm gonna.
What is this, a hotel?
Here's
Give me my fucking money. Take your fucking towel, you prick. Oh, fucking cunts. The fuck do you think you're doing?
What the
30 minutes, you prick.
What the
Come
fuck?
here! Come here, you fucker! 30 fucking minutes! 30 minutes hot water! How much do you think that cost, you prick? Get down! Get your head down, you fuck! You want a hot shower? Here's your hot shower! You fucker! You fucking cunt!
Excuse me? Who are you?
Who am I? I'm the fucking volunteer here, you prick.
Okay, so?
So what? You're making a fucking mess everywhere.
Where?
What you're fucking
Where is
doing? What are these? Go in the fucking washing machine. You fucking cunt. Cunt. Oi, you fucking cunt. What are you doing?
I just want sandwich, nothing more.
You just want a sandwich?
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
No.
See here? Here's your sandwich, yeah? You like that?
No.
You like your sandwich?
No, really.
Go on, eat. Eat your fucking sandwich, man.
No.
I'm
not hungry
Take
anymore.
your sandwich. And eat your
Okay.
fucking sandwich. No. Yeah, the kitchen closes at 11, you fucking cunt. You fucking cunt.